Have you ever felt that no matter how hard you work, money is never enough? Have you ever thought that getting rich is something for those who were born with a silver spoon or earn a lot? If you find yourself counting pennies at the end of the month, struggling with bills, debts, or just wanting to get out of the financial rut, this video is for you. Here, you won't hear empty promises or magic formulas. You'll learn about a practical, straightforward plan divided into 5 steps that anyone can apply, even if you earn little, to start your journey toward financial freedom. This video is for those who are tired of just surviving and want to start building. I'll show you how small daily decisions made consciously can transform your financial life from scratch. And the best part, you don't need to earn more to get started. You just need to change how you handle what you already have. Stick with me until the end, because what you'll learn here could be the turning point you've been waiting for. Have you ever felt stuck in a routine where money just doesn't stretch? You work all month, pay bills, settle debts, but never see anything left over? Maybe you've even given up on the idea of getting rich, thinking it's a privilege for those who earn a lot or were born lucky. But what if I told you there's a plan? Simple, realistic, and straight to the point, that anyone can follow even with a low income to get out of the struggle and start walking toward financial freedom. Stay with me until the end of this video, because in the next steps, you'll understand exactly how to transform your reality, starting with what you already have. Imagine this: a single mother who earns just above the minimum wage, or a store clerk who works Monday to Saturday and still does side jobs on the weekend. They can barely breathe by the end of the month. Everything that comes in is already committed before it even hits the account. This is the reality for millions of Brazilians, maybe even yours. But do you know the truth that almost no one tells you? Even under these conditions, it's possible to start changing. Slowly, with consistency, and with the right decisions. No one will promise you'll get rich in a week, but with a well-executed plan, transformation is inevitable. The difference between staying stuck in this cycle or breaking free lies in the choices you make from now on. The first thing you need to understand is that the problem isn't just how much you earn, it's how you handle that money. A lot of people say, "I just need to earn more." But the truth is, if you don't know how to manage the little, you won't know how to manage the lot. It's no surprise that so many people earn well and are still in debt. The root of financial difficulty lies in living without direction, without control, without planning. And this video is here to show you exactly how to change that, even if you feel like you're at rock bottom right now. Because yes, it's possible to start from zero. The first step in our plan is the financial diagnosis. This means clearly seeing your current situation. It sounds basic, but many people have never done this. Grab a piece of paper and pen, or a spreadsheet on your phone, and write, how much do you earn each month? How much do you spend and on what? Rent, transportation, food, small daily expenses, everything. This process is liberating. It takes the problem out of the realm of anxiety and puts it into the realm of action. By visualizing where your money is going, you begin to notice patterns, waste, and automatic habits that sabotage your progress. Only those who see clearly can change effectively. The second step is control with smart cuts. And here we're not talking about living in misery, but understanding what truly matters. Often we spend on things we don't even notice. Small impulse buys, delivery apps, subscriptions we don't even use. The secret is not to cut everything, but to cut what doesn't make a real difference. When you choose to spend less on what doesn't matter, you automatically have more for what truly has value: security, peace of mind, future planning. Every cut you make consciously is a step toward freedom. And the best part, it's 100% under your control. It doesn't depend on anyone. The third step is setting micro goals. This is where you begin to build the habit of discipline. Many people get stuck because they think saving is only worth it if it's a lot of money. But the game is different. What changes lives is not the amount, but the consistency. Start by saving your $10 a week. It seems little? In a year, that's over $500. And the most important part, you train your mind to save, to resist immediate impulses in exchange for a greater benefit in the future. These small victories build the muscle of consistency. And consistency, in The financial world is worth more than momentary intensity. It's better to save a little every month than try to save a lot once and give up. The fourth step is to find a realistic side income. This is where your creativity comes into play. What do you already know how to do that can generate money? Cook, sew, type quickly, fix things, take care of children? Today, with the internet, the possibilities multiply. You can offer services, sell products, resell something low cost, and you don't need to quit your main job. Start small in your free time. The goal here is not to make a fortune right away, but to create new sources of income that add to your monthly budget. This attitude not only improves your finances, but also boosts your self-esteem. You realize you can create opportunities even in difficult situations. The fifth step is to multiply what you have consciously. This means learn to invest. We're not talking about the stock market or big investments. Start with the basics: an emergency fund, a fixed income fund, study, read, watch videos. There are apps that allow you to invest with $1. Yes, I read that right. $1. The important thing is to understand that money can and should work for you. The scarcity mentality needs to make way for the building mentality. Invest not only your money, but also your time and energy in learning. Because no one will care more about your future than you will. And the sooner you start, the greater the multiplying effect. Now, take a moment and imagine yourself 6 months from now. Debt-free, with a small emergency fund built, starting to see your income grow with a new source of money. Picture yourself making better decisions, calmer, with clarity about where you want to go. All of this is possible, but it only happens when you step out of inertia and begin applying these steps one by one. It's not about perfection, it's about progress. About committing to a plan that works because it's real, it's feasible, and it's already changed the lives of thousands of people who started exactly like you, with nothing but the desire to change. Now that you know the way, there's only one thing left. Take the first step. Choose one step, just one, and start today. Whether it's cutting expenses, doing your financial diagnosis, or saving a small amount to invest, the most important thing is to get moving. Comment below which of these steps you'll apply first. Share this video with someone who's also in the struggle. And of course, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next content that will help you on this journey. Remember, you have everything you need to start. And the best day to take this step is today. Let's go together on this journey toward your financial freedom.